Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I have a surprise for you. In the month of November, this is November 1st today, I am going to cook for you everything that you would possibly want or think of to cook for Thanksgiving. Yes, we are celebrating Thanksgiving for the month of November. So anything in addition to what I'm thinking about cooking for Thanksgiving for you, you can also comment to me and ask me to show you how to cook whatever dish you want me to cook for Thanksgiving. So this is a win all the way round, okay? And I'm getting you prepared so when you have your company come over for Thanksgiving, that they can just love it and brag on you and eat all of your wonderful food, okay? So I'm trying to help you get there, all right? So that's what we got to look forward to for Thanksgiving. Now this is a special announcement. I wanted to do it separately so that you can tell everyone you know. I want you to reach out to everyone and let them know to tune in to Grandma Ray Don't Play videos I upload every single day, okay? So that you can now enjoy Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna cook the traditional food and some non-traditional food, because you know everybody don't eat just turkey and the turkey trimmings. There are people who don't eat turkey at all, okay? So I'm gonna include in and everything that you would like to have and that I think that you would like to have for your Thanksgiving meal. That's gonna be the meats, the starches, the appetizers, the vegetables, the dessert, everything. We are just gonna turn it up for the month of Thanksgiving. All right, that's November 2019. We're gonna do it. So you send me in your comments. Those comments should just flood my channel so that I can get on it. You want me to help you? I'm gonna get you there, okay? And you can help me too with your suggestions, all right? All right, so I wanted you to know that. I also wanted to thank in and everyone who have donated to my GoFundMe and my Patreon in the month of September. No, I'm sorry, not September, October. Okay, and I'll be announcing all of the names in my drawing on November 15th. Okay, remember I have another $25 drawing, one drawing to anyone that have donated to my Patreon, my GoFundMe, or sent me anything in the mail. Okay, so I'll be updating you on that soon so that you'll be reminded that I am going to do that drawing. And I did want to say, I got a comment, two comments actually, in regards to why am I only including the drawing for anyone who have donated to the Patreon, the GoFundMe, or sent me something in the mail. So my answer was, the last time I included the drawing for all subscribers and new subscribers, and I picked out the names from that point. So each time I will decide on how I want to distribute the prize so that I can kind of cover all avenues, so that everybody is included at some point in time in the drawings, okay? All right, so that's my answer to that. So that answer is not going to change because I'm gonna try my best to be fair all the way around, okay? Because that's just how I am, all right? Okay, so also I want to say, you know, it's nice that you support me and you care about me, and I feel the love from you guys. You know, it's really a good feeling, really a good feeling. I'm letting you know that now, and I appreciate you and love you back as well, okay? And I love having you on this journey with me, because there's no fun having going on a trip alone. I need to go on a trip with you guys, okay? Okay, so great. So give this a thumbs up if you like it. Send me in your comments on what you want me to show you how to cook for Thanksgiving. And let's just have a ball this month. Share the video. Tell your friends to comment on what they want to know how to cook. Because, you know, you don't want to wait until the day before Thanksgiving to get this together. No, you want to get this together now. Maybe you want to learn how to cook it now so that you can practice, so that you got that down pat and you can put that on your table with a smile, okay? All right, so that's the message that I have for you. This is your special video from Grandma Ray, okay? Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Give it a thumbs up if you like the idea. Okay.